Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be my quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas in under 5 minutes. Now don't forget to join me back here every week on Friday afternoons for new cooking tutorials, food hauls, and things like that. So click subscribe and be a part of my notification team by clicking the bell, and let's get started. Now the first thing I'm going to be making is an avocado toast. It's really easy and super popular. You'll see it on most menus for brunch, and it can be pretty expensive, so I'm going to be making my own. Now you're going to start with your bread of choice, and today I'm going with an organic white bread from Eureka, and I'm going to be slicing up my avocado, which has tons of benefits, including really good fat. I know that sounds impossible. Fat, you're like, ugh. No, fats are sometimes really good, and avocados, they taste really yummy as well. Then I'm going to do an olive oil drizzle. This is like the best kinds of antioxidants. It tastes good and it helps with digestion as well. Then we're going to squeeze on some lime juice, which is great for weight loss. So hello, healthy and getting skinny at the same time. Then we're going to sprinkle on some pink Himalayan salt, which is great for your heart. Just a little pinch, not too much. We're gonna mash it up, and then we are going to be ready to put this on our toast. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a generous amount and spread it all over. You can get really fancy with it and make some lines with your fork like me. If you don't have time for that, that's cool. Then you're going to sprinkle on some of your favorite seasoning, and this one is everything but the bagel from Trader Joe's, and is only like $2. So yummy and beautiful. Next up, I'm going to be making a nut butter toast. Almond butter can get really expensive, so we're gonna do some peanut butter this morning, and it's like the perfect way to get your energy up to start the day. So I'm gonna slick on some of that creamy peanut butter. Then we're going to chop up some of my favorite fruit, which has to be bananas. There's so many benefits to bananas. They're loaded with potassium, which everybody knows. Also, they have essential vitamins and minerals, and they taste so good. Next, I'm going to be sprinkling on some granola, and they contain some iron and fiber, but they can be high in calories, so you want to make sure you just use it as a sprinkle. You don't want a whole bowl. And to finish off our toast, we're going to be dusting on a little bit of cinnamon, which is a perfect dose of antioxidants, and it helps you curb your appetite, so you won't be as hungry and you'll make it to lunch. Next up, I'm going to be using all of my leftover veggies to make a veggie scramble, and veggies are perfect for reducing the risk of chronic disease. They also reduce cholesterol and help in the production of red blood cells. So make sure you guys eat veggies all day long, or at least incorporate them. This is a great way to start eating vegetables if you don't already have them in your daily routine. Next, I'm going to be throwing a handful of veggies in some olive oil, sauteing them with a little bit of salt and pepper, giving that a few minutes to cook down as I scramble my eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and use a couple of brown eggs depending on how many people are going to be eating the scramble. I just typically use 2. These are high in protein, and eating them scrambled is easier than eating them raw. So a pinch of that Himalayan salt, give them a nice quick whisk, and then you're going to add your eggs to your pan, and I did not want to move my camera, so we're just going to do that right in your face. The trick to this is keeping the food moving in the pan so that it doesn't burn or turn brown. So just move it, and it starts to get really nice and fluffy. Add that to a bowl or a plate and top it with your favorite seasonings. I really love oregano, and you're going to see this a lot on my channel. It just is great for a lot of things, even relieves menstrual cramps. Did you know that? Girl, we need more of that in our lives. And last but not least is going to be a smoothie. I love making smoothies just because they're really quick and portable. So throwing in my frozen fruits first, then I'm going to be doing a spoonful of chia seeds, which has tons of benefits, including curbing your appetite. A lot of times I'm still starving after I drink a smoothie, and today I'm going to be using water instead of milk just because my stomach is super sensitive, but you can use whatever you'd like: almond milk, coconut milk, milk, just as long as you blend it until you get a really nice smooth consistency like I did, and screw it on your top with a straw, and ta-da! Very healthy and quick breakfast idea. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Check out my other snack ideas, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!